Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning in. Let's wait another 5 minutes for everyone else to join in this virtual launch. We will start our event at 6 p.m. Malaysia time. In the meantime, please kindly ensure that you turn on your cameras at the very end of the event for a virtual photo opportunity. Thank you. We'll see you shortly.
Evolution of train, 1801 to 2021. 1801. 1814. 1820. 1825. 1829. 1840. 1860. 1866. 1870. 1875. 1879. 1890. 1910. 1912. 1920. 1927. 1938. 1941. 1950. 1960. 1963. 1966. 1980. 2006. 2010. 2013. 2020. 2021. Evolution of train, 1801 to 2021. 1801. 1814.
Good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for tuning in. To those of you that just joined us, welcome. We'll be starting shortly. Let's give a few more minutes for everyone else to join in this virtual launch. Thank you for being here. We'll start soon. Thank you.
Evolution of train, 1801 to 2021. 1801. 1814. 1820. 1825. 1829. 1840. 1860. 1866. 1870. 1875. 1879. 1890. 1910. 1912. 1920. 1927. 1938. 1941. 1950. 1960. 1963. 1966. 1980. 2006. 2010. 2013. 2020. 2021. Evolution of train, 1801 to 2021. 1801. 1814. 1820. 1825.
A very good evening, everyone, and a warm welcome. Yang berbahagia, Datuk PK Nara, Chairman and Managing Director SMH Rail. Yang berbahagia, Tan Sri Dato Sri Muhammad Zuki bin Ali, the Chief Secretary to the Government of Malaysia. Mr. Leonard Chamuriho, Minister of Works, Transport and Communication, Tanzania. Your Excellencies, the High Commissioners and Ambassadors of Tanzania, Thailand, Kenya, India, Indonesia, Singapore, Namibia, and Ghana. Secretary Generals and senior government officials from government ministries and agencies, including the Economic Planning Unit, Prime Minister's Department, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ministry of Transport, Ministry of International Trade and Industries, Malaysian Investment Development Authority, MIDA, Technology Depository Agency, TDA, Malaysian Industry Government Group for High Technology, MITE, Malaysia Rail Industry Corporation, MARIC, and SIRIM. Key leaders from the railway industry, the CEO of KTMB, the National Railways of Malaysia, Chairman, MRT Corporation Malaysia, CEO, MRT Corporation Malaysia, Chairman, Prasarana Malaysia, CEO, Rapid Rail Malaysia, Director General, Tanzania Railways Corporation, CEO, Zambia Railways, honorable representatives of the World Bank and Exim Bank of Malaysia. Global industry partners, namely Siemens, Amstead Rail, Meda Servo Drives, ABB, EC Engineering, Wabtec, Rail Engineering Solution, RES, Power Rail, Rotomac, Favely, and our local business partners. Members of the media, students and staff from Malaysian universities, management and staff from SMH Rail, Yang berbahagia, Tan Sri, Dato Sri, Dato, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for dialing in today to celebrate the unveiling of the new H10 series Locomotive, designed and manufactured by SMH Rail, with the tagline, Towards Green Mobility. We have a global audience participating in today's event from over 26 countries, including from the USA, South America, countries from Europe, Saudi Arabia, countries from Africa, Pakistan, India, Russia, China, Bangladesh, Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, and other ASEAN countries. Thank you for joining us. My name is Terence Das, and I'm your host for this evening. SMH Rail, ladies and gentlemen, is a Malaysian leading railway engineering company, with its core business focused on the manufacturing and maintenance of metro trains and locomotives. SMH Rail started their journey in the year 2000 with humble beginnings. Their first foray was in the wheel business, which they continue to support KTMB to this very day. They soon expanded their scope to offer locomotive maintenance services for KTMB. Their first venture outside of Malaysia was in 2010, and since then, they have been marking their stamp in many countries, supporting locomotive manufacturing and maintenance businesses. Along the way, SMH Rail expanded its competencies in collaboration with international partners. A major milestone was in 2012, when the MRT Corporation Malaysia awarded manufacture line of Line 1 metro train. An internationally certified advanced manufacturing plant was set up in Selangor, Malaysia, which included a private test track to simulate complete metro train operations. SMH Rail subsequently also won the award to manufacture MRT Line 2 in Malaysia. A state-of-the-art locomotive and wagon manufacturing plant with robotic welding and computerized testing machines was also set up at the very same location. SMH Rail has since expanded their competencies to design and manufacture airport trains and intercity electric trains. Apart from the internationally certified facility, SMH Rail's facility is the only one in ASEAN to be certified by the Association of American Railroad, AAR. SMH Rail's strategic investment in setting up state-of-the-art facilities and expanding its competencies is also in line with the government's aspiration to establish Malaysia as a rail manufacturing hub. Today, SMH Rail has footprints in over 15 countries. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we begin with a short video on SMH Rail. Ladies and gentlemen, SMH Rail has progressed to design and manufacture the new H10 series locomotive at par with global railway standards. In spite of the extremely challenging conditions due to the global pandemic, SMH Rail rose up to the challenge and completed the project in time. Before we move on to the next segment, I would like to assure you that the footage you will be seeing on screen of the launch ceremony was taken at SMH Rail's internationally certified state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, adhering to all the necessary health and safety protocols. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to now invite Yang Berbahagia, Dato' PK Nara, Chairman and Managing Director of SMH Rail, to say a few words.
Your Excellencies, senior government officials, honorable representatives of World Bank, our partners, namely General Electric, Siemens, AMSET Rail, ABB, and MEDA, esteemed global and local business partners, distinguished industry leaders, members of media, and distinguished guests. Salam Sejahtera and good evening. I wish to begin by extending my sincere gratitude to all of you for joining us today. As we celebrate a significant milestone through the launch of the H10 series locomotives, designed and manufactured with a focus towards green mobility. We at SMH Rail have worked extremely hard and passionately to ensure the success of this milestone, and we are looking forward to celebrating on ground. However, due to the global pandemic, we need to conduct a virtual launch instead. I am thankful that we are living in this digital age with technology that allows virtual events as such, while enabling us to abide social distancing protocols. Firstly, I would like to thank the Malaysian government for their support, which has been a valuable foundation in our journey at SMH Rail over the last 20 years. SMH Rail has evolved from being a rolling stock maintenance service provider to a world-class manufacturer within a span of 2 decades. A launch of the high-powered diesel-electric locomotives known as H10 series locomotive is a proof of SMH Rail to provide cutting-edge technology in line with global rail industry standards. A major achievement in this project is our ability to engage with the local vendors and infuse 60% of local content in manufacturing. Distinguished guests and ladies and gentlemen, the first batch of locomotive in this series will be delivered to Tanzanian Railway Corporation, who have placed the order based on funding support from World Bank. I'm confident that this locomotive will bring numerous economic benefit to the African rail cargo industry. Rail cargo business has a strong economic multiplier effect for any country. It is efficient in bridging connectivity, increases supply chain through higher haulage compared to roads, accelerate growth of industries, and promote cross-border trade. Above all, rail freight has proven to be a cost and fuel efficient, and more importantly, is reduced emissions. The H10 series locomotives is designed for heavy haulage and uninterrupted long-haul services, helping all operators to boost their freight businesses. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the H10 series locomotives is designed to contribute towards environmental sustainability with its innovative engineering and technology. This high-powered locomotive can potentially displace 100 trucks on the road and minimizing highway congestions, reduce greenhouse gas emissions by up to 75%, be 4 times more fuel efficient than road trucks. As a cutting-edge innovative solution, the H10 series locomotives is equipped with remote monitoring diagnostic to provide real-time updates to rail operators. This allows rail operators to monitor and minimize risk of failures and improve operational safety. Distinguished guests and ladies and gentlemen, today we are witnessing a historic chapter in this railway industry through the launching of SMH made H10 series locomotives. Before I end my speech, I would like to express my heartfelt appreciation to our distinguished guests for all your support and participation to make this virtual launch a success. I take this opportunity to thank Government of Malaysia, KTMB, the National Railway of Malaysia, Tanzanian Railway Corporations, World Bank, business associates, and members of media for their trust and confidence in SMH Rail. Last but not least, I must record a big thank you to all employees of SMH Rail family for their commitments and dedication to innovate and deliver the new H10 series locomotive in line with our corporate slogan, promise, do it. Thank you.
Thank you, Yang Berbahagia Datuk PK Nara. Ladies and gentlemen, on this August occasion, it gives me a great pride and pleasure to share a special message from the Honorable Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, former Prime Minister of Malaysia. His message reads, I would like to congratulate SMH Rail on the launch of the H10 series locomotives. I am delighted to see a Malaysian company grow and become successful in its own right as a rolling stock manufacturer in the rail industry. I understand the project to manufacture the H10 series locomotive is funded by the World Bank. It is a testament to the capability and professionalism of SMH Rail to have earned the trust and confidence of the World Bank. The award of a project of this size to a Malaysian company shows that our ability is as good, if not better, when compared to others. We are capable of doing anything, for so long as we put our hearts in it and we work hard. It makes me very proud to announce that SMH Rail is a Malaysian company. In fact, in 2018, I was invited to launch the SMH Rail electric train manufacturing plant. But due to unforeseen circumstances, I could not visit their plant. Nevertheless, SMH Rail's pursuit to continue to become a successful rolling stock manufacturer is applaudable. After independence, Malaysia had revived its railway services to handle the increasing amount of goods passing through the rail network within the country. In order to support these trade activities, particularly the rail freight industry, the government should continue to put in place a sound and robust policy and improve public service delivery in the rail industry and create a business-friendly environment. We need to strengthen our economic growth by enhancing productivity and increasing competitiveness of the rail industry. We need to continuously improve and harness the rail ecosystem to develop the rail freight business and offer innovative, seamless, and integrated solutions for freight cargo operators. I wish SMH Rail every success as you continue to steer the country's rail industry to greater heights. I hope to see SMH Rail's manufacturing plant at Rasa, Selangor to be further developed to be the railway hub of ASEAN. Thank you, Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad, for this special message on this occasion. And congratulations to SMH Rail for putting Malaysia on the map of the global railway industry. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to present to you the H10 series Locomotive, designed and manufactured by SMH Rail. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the H10 series Locomotive, developed with advanced technologies designed to contribute towards green mobility. The first batch of locomotives in this series will be delivered to Tanzania Railways Corporation, who have placed the order based on funding support from the World Bank. Ladies and gentlemen, on this momentous occasion, we would like to share a few congratulatory wishes from senior government officials who are also leaders in the rail industry.
I would like to congratulate SMH Rail on their successful production of Model H10 Green Horse Series locomotives to Tanzania Railway Corporation, TRC. We are proud of their achievement, and this is indeed another great milestone to the rail industry in Malaysia. Our sincere wishes to SMH Rail for more international ventures, collaboration, and growth in the future. Once again, congratulations to SMH Rail.
Thank you, Mr. Masanja Karagosa, Director General, Tanzania Railways Corporation, and Encik Muhammad Rani Hisham Samsudin, Chief Executive Officer, KTMB Malaysia, for your wishes. Ladies and gentlemen, on this auspicious occasion, SMH Rail has also been officially recognized by the Malaysia Book of Records. I'll now invite Mr. Christopher Wong, the Chief Operating Officer of the Malaysia Book of Records, to make the official announcement.
Greetings, my name is Christopher Wong and I'm the COO of the Malaysian Book of Records. Today, I'm very proud to announce that SMH Rail Sdn Bhd has been enlisted in the Malaysian Book of Records for having the first locally manufactured locomotive for export. Congratulations, SMH Rail Sdn Bhd.
Thank you, Mr. Christopher Wong. This is indeed a big honor and a major milestone in the Malaysian rail industry. Congratulations once again to SMH Rail. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to share a special message from the senior board member of the SMH Rail, Encik Zahrin bin Muhammad Zaman. His message reads, "On behalf of SMH Rail management, I would like to express our earnest gratitude to all of you for attending the event today and making it a grand success. Thank you for your support and contribution to our growth." Thank you, Encik Zahrin bin Muhammad Zaman. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to welcome some key global industry leaders to share a few words on this occasion.
Hello dear partners from SMH Rail, Datuk Nara and distinguished guests. I am Ben Chong, CEO of Siemens Mobility in Malaysia. Thank you for the honor in having me to give a message on this auspicious occasion. On behalf of Siemens Mobility, a big congratulations on the job well done and a big step forward to a huge success, especially on exporting loco with Malaysia flag flying. And I can see our cooperation, SMH Rail and Siemens Mobility Corporation, on the Klang Valley MRT Line 1 electric train with the backing and strong supports from the Malaysian government's industrial collaboration program in nurturing the local industry on champion in railway system is bearing the fruit. To sum it up, I wish SMH Rail a great success and all the best.
Hello, my name is Marcus Montanacord. I'm Vice President of Amstead Rail for International. I'd like to mention SMH Rail, a close working partner and a close customer of ours in Malaysia who we've been working with for many years. It's my pleasure to congratulate them on their locomotive project. Wish them much success going forward and look forward to a great partnership. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vivian Leong, Vice President of ABB Motion in Malaysia. It is both my honor and privilege to congratulate the entire management and staff of SMH Rail Malaysia on the successful launch of the H10 series locomotive. This is such a remarkable milestone which has been achieved amidst a uniquely challenging period. It underlines the perseverance, tenacity, and strength of everyone at SMH Rail Malaysia to charge a new era for Malaysia's green mobility journey. On behalf of my colleagues in ABB Motion and ABB Malaysia, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations once again to SMH Rail Malaysia. We are proud to be your strategic provider for traction motors and remain committed to provide leading-edge solutions to change the mobility landscape. We look forward to celebrating more successes together. Thank you.
It is our honor and we are very delighted to congratulate SMH Rail on this big achievement. For the past 10 years, we have been working with SMH Rail and have been part of many successful projects for Tanzania, Zambia, and Malaysia. We feel proud of being part of SMH's success, and today once again SMH has demonstrated its track record of creating win-win situation for all its partners. We are happy to be associated with SMH Rail and will continue to support in our quest to provide future mobility solutions for the whole world. Thank you and all the best.
Hello everyone, this is Michał Lasiewicz from IC Engineering from Krakow, Poland. We would like to congratulate today SMH launching new locomotive for export market. We are happy that we are part of this project and we are looking forward for new opportunities with you. Thank you.
Thank you for all your warm wishes. To mark this significant milestone, ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to invite all our guests for a virtual photo opportunity. Please kindly turn on your cameras right now, ladies and gentlemen, to all the participants dialing in from Zoom. All you have to do is to turn on your cameras and ensure that you're fully captured. No avatars allowed for this photo opportunity. I would like to now invite Dato' P.K. Nara to kindly join us in this virtual photo opportunity. And ladies and gentlemen, here he is, the man himself. I hope you're all ready. Dato', you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
He's good. So everybody, we're gonna do the formal, traditional, big smile photo. So all you have to do is to ensure that you're in screen right now, on the frame, and let's get ready for one big photo opportunity with a big smile. On a count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Big smiles, everyone. Let's do that one more time. Big smiles. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's do one with the traditional thumbs up. All right, let's make sure that our thumbs are in the frame, okay? So everybody, ensure your cameras are on. Make sure your thumbs are in the frame. And here we go, Dato'. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Let's get a little bit animated with this, Dato'. So let's let our hair down, ladies and gentlemen. I know all about letting my hair down because that's why I'm here. So please just sit back, relax, and make your favorite pose. Dato', just let loose. Okay, here we go. Everybody, just give us your most relaxed pose in front of your cameras. 1, 2, 3. Let's do another one. 1, 2, 3. Let's give it the okay, Dato', for SMH Rail. The good old okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Dato' P.K. Nara, and congratulations to the SMH Rail team for achieving this magnificent feat. A huge thank you to the audience tuning in from around the world today to celebrate this milestone with us. Hope you guys had fun, and I hope you enjoyed this virtual ceremony. So everyone, we look forward to all of you joining us in future events. But in case you have any inquiries, please kindly drop us an email at h10series@smhrail.com. We look forward to seeing you in even more amazing achievements as SMH moves forward in the global railway industry. My name is Terrence. It's been my pleasure to be your host this evening. A big round of applause for SMH Rail. Thank you, everyone. Please take care and stay safe wherever in the world you may be. Have a great evening, everyone.